Good morning students. So in last video we saw Tenali Raman draws a picture. That was a funny conversation between Tenali Raman, king, and the messenger. Messenger was having a small part, but the main conversation was between Tenali Raman and his king. So that was very funny story, and we have seen that story, and hope you have understood that story and completed your homework. So in this video we are going to see this new poem, that is a string song. What is it? A string song. So what is string? String means what? A set of things, means only one thing is there, so we can't say it is a string. So we will say it is a string if there is a set of things. You can see here the apples, not there is not only one apple, there are apples, right? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 apples. 7 apples are there. So we will say there are shiny apples, means there is a string of things, means there is bread. There are a loaf of bread means there is a string. Then we can see here there are pencil colors. Okay, pencil colors, there is then there is string of pencil colors, and sack of flour, pack of liquid soap, some juicy ripe mangoes, a pair of blue bangles, a big jar of honey, a bunch of bananas, a string of white flowers. String of white flowers means a bunch or a set of flowers. Means hope you have understood the meaning of string. Means set of anything. It is known as a string. So therefore it is a string song. So I will start the poem now. First of all, I am going to read the poem, so you will get an idea to read how to read the poem. So it is poem come, it is an activity. Form groups of 8 to 10 children each to play this game. It is a type of game. We can have fun out of this poem. So you can pair groups at your home with help of your brothers, sisters, or your friends. Okay, so I'm going to read this poem. The first child says, I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That's what I got. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples. That what I got. Means first child says that he went to a market and bought something. Bought means to purchase something. Okay, हम बाजार जाके कुछ सामान खरीद के लाते ना, उसको bought कहते हैं. Okay, some red shiny apples. That what I got. What he bought from the market? Some red shiny apples. He bought from market some red shiny apples. Then the second child adds something. What he adds? We will see this. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red, shiny apples, a big loaf of bread. That's what I got. Means the second child says that he went to the market and bought some red shiny apples. The first child has already bought the red shiny apples, but the second child bought red shiny apples plus a big loaf of bread. Means we can see here, and we also ate the loaf of bread. Okay, with pav bhaji, with vada pav, and many more dishes. We know the big loaf of bread. The second child went to the market and bought some red shiny apples plus a big loaf of bread. Means he has added something to the red shiny apples. So first of all there was red shiny apples, what the first child has bought, and then from the second child we have seen the red shiny apples plus big loaf of bread. That's what I got. And the third paragraph, the third child add one more thing. See here, first child bought red shiny apples, then second child bought red shiny apples plus big loaf of bread. Then third child will what will do? He will add one more thing. What was the thing? We will see this. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. Here you can see First child had bought red apples, red shiny apples. Then second child's red shiny apples plus big loaf of bread. Then third child has bought a red shiny apples, big loaf of bread, a pack of color pencils. Means third child has added what he added? A pack of color pencils. That's what I got. So in next video we will see. Here I have read the poem, and I've given explanation of this poem. In next video we will see more things like the red shiny apples, the big loaf of bread, and pack of flour. One child is adding the something more in the bunch of or string of the things. So we will see in next video the sack of gram flour or pack of liquid soap. You can play at home this game. In next video I am going to explain this. Hope you have understood this poem and do the homework below this video. Thank you.